How to fix stuttering and lag issue in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on general and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then free up some space. For free up some space, then delete extra videos, photos and extra apps in your iPhone. After deleted these things, your problem will be fixed. And if it doesn't fix your problem, the last solution is open settings again and then click on general and then scroll down in last and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now click on reset. On top you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and here enter your passcode to reset all your settings. It will reset all your settings but never destroy any other data like photos, videos and other data. It will only reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.